Hey, how are you doing today? I want to tell you about why you might not be a good Salesforce developer. There are three such reasons. The three main reasons. First of all, you would not be a good Salesforce developer if you do not enjoy constantly learning new things, keeping up with the Salesforce innovation, keeping up with the new technologies, keeping up with the new acquisitions that Salesforce is making, constantly improving your Salesforce knowledge. You have to be willing to constantly upgrade, innovate, and move ahead. If you'd rather stay in your comfort zone and do not enjoy putting your neck out and learning new things constantly, Salesforce is not the right place for you. There are a lot of other jobs for you that you would be great for. For example, in government or in state or municipal level. For example, you can be a bus driver or you can be a desk clerk, but Salesforce not the place for you. The second reason why Salesforce development might not be a good career for you is if you're afraid to make mistakes. Given that there is constant innovation, you have to try new things. You might have to take some risks experimenting with new things. You have to expect some things to break, some things that you can fix, some things you cannot, some Salesforce bugs, some you just cannot figure out. There's a lot of uncertainty as you innovate, move forward. If you do not enjoy such risk, such stress, Salesforce is not the right place for you. Salesforce is a place for the courageous, for the explorers, for the adventurers. The third reason why Salesforce development would be a terrible career choice for you is if you do not like to be hounded by recruiters. For example, if you have a nice LinkedIn profile where you have experience across a couple of companies with at least 3 years of experience, you would be chased, you would be emailed daily by recruiters asking you to speak to them, give them a call, touch base, send them your resume. And this would be constant. Even if you say you're not interested, they will still keep coming for you. They will send you emails, they will call you phone, leave you voicemails. All this is because Salesforce development is right now one of the hottest areas to be. It will stay hot. And if you're a Salesforce developer, you have to be ready to be harassed by recruiters. If you do not want to be in such a situation, don't go for Salesforce development. You can rather get a degree like in liberal arts or philosophy, English literature. No one will ever touch you. Even if you get a degree in MBA from a very good university, very unlikely there will be many people trying to recruit you. So once again, don't go into Salesforce development if you do not like to learn new things, if you do not like to take risks, and thirdly, if you do not like to be chased by recruiters. If you have any questions, write in the comments. Thank you.